Alright, so we are done with all the theoretical parts. Now from this video on, we will see all the practical steps. For this session, we will see how we can create the actual relationship between two tables. Now, before doing that, we need some clearance in our Power BI file right now. So this is how it looks right now, and we need to clear some of the things. We need to rename some of the tables. So let's quickly do that. So this is our product lookup table. We don't need this name to be this bigger. So what we can do, we can just write AW AW products lookup. We are done. Okay, then we will delete this table also because we are going to merge it as a new one. So I'm going to delete it. Now we are going to append these three tables. So I will select these tables and I will go to, from the home tab, I will go to append queries. I've shown this earlier. I will do append as new, and in here we will select three or more tables because we have three tables. The 2015 is already selected. We are going to select 2016 and 2017, and we are going to do OK. So here a new table has been added. We are going to name it AW sales table. This is AW sales table, and then we don't need this append folder, so I will just delete this one. And then we don't need the upper part also. So from this transform, I will just click on shift and I will click on this one. Will delete this one. Delete. You can see it's now deleted, and we have a clean slate to work on now. Okay, we need another data. So I will go to text.csv from this new source, and I will take the customers data. This is also another lookup table. Let me quickly show you the data. So here we have all the customer information, as you can see, last name, birth date, etc. Email address we have, and we have this thing. So I will just click on OK, and I will rename this table also because this is a lookup table. So this would be AW customers lookup. That's it. We are good here, and we will just do close and apply. Let's give it some time, and then it will be downloaded, all the data in Power BI. Okay, so the data all are loaded. We'll just click on close, and we will see here. Okay, so as you can see, there are some relationships that are auto detected, but I don't really need them to be auto detected. So what I will do, I will go to manage relationship, and I will delete all this relationship. So I will just select this one and select the last one by click on shift, and then I will delete. So all my relationships are now deleted. You will see that this relationship will be gone. Yep. Now here we have this calendar table, we have this customer lookup table, we have the sales table as well. I will just keep them in one place, say like something like this. And now I want to put all the relationships. So as you can see, we have the product key, and we have seen this earlier, and we have the, in the product lookup we have the product key. So what I will do, I will drag this product key from this table, and I will put it on the product key of AW sales column, and you will see that Power BI will detect the relationship as one to many. So as you can see, this is our one to many relationship, right? Next, we want to select, we want to link our AW sales data with customers also. So let's quickly see which column do we have. We have here the customer key, as you can see. So I will just drag this, whether you drag this one or drag this one, it doesn't matter. You can drag anything. So I will just drag it and put it on the customer key of AW sales. Okay, so now as you can see, This is also the customer table. The customer lookup table is one and the EW sales table is many. Now we can access all the information from this table to this table. We can access all the information about products also, and we don't even need to take this columns in this table. We can access it directly from this table on. So that's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.